Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Traders, Kings and Pilgrims. 10th चैप्टर है 6th क्लास की हिस्ट्री का. ठीक है, इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. मैच द फॉलोइंग. सबसे पहले इसमें डायरेक्ट आंसर कर रहे हैं. मोमिंदर किसके साथ मैच होगा? चोल्स, चेर्स एंड पांड्यस. लॉर्ड ऑफ दक्षिणी पथ, सातवांश रूलर्स. अश्वघोष, बुद्धचरित्र. बोधिसत्व, महायान बुद्धिज्म. जॉन जिंग, चाइनीज पिलग्रिम. आगे देखिए, वाई डिड द किंग्स वांट टू कंट्रोल द सिल्क रूट. आंसर देखिए, द किंग वांटेड टू कंट्रोल द सिल्क रूट बिकॉज दे कुड बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द टैक्सेस, ट्रिब्यूट्स एंड गिफ्ट दैट वर ब्रॉट बाय ट्रेडर्स ट्रेवलिंग अलोंग द रूट. नेक्स्ट देखिए, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एविडेंस डू हिस्टोरियंस यूज टू फाइंड आउट अबाउट ट्रेड्स एंड ट्रेड रूट्स. आंसर देखिए, द रिमेन ऑफ द merchandise like pottery, especially bowls and plates, have been found at various places. They were taken by the traders. South India was famous for gold, spices and precious stones. Traders carried these goods to Rome in ship across the sea and by land in caravans. Gold coins have been found at the trading post. इसमें देखिए अगला क्वेश्चन, what are the main features of bhakti? The main features of bhaktis are, फर्स्ट वन है भक्ति एम्फेसिस डिवोशंस एंड इंडिविजुअल वर्शिप ऑफ अ गॉड और गॉडेस rather than performance of elaborate sacrifices. Second one है according to this system of belief, if a devotee worship the chosen deity with a pure heart, the deity will appear in the form of which he or she may desire. Next देखिए, discuss the reasons why the Chinese pilgrims came to India. Pilgrims are men and women who undertake journey to holy places in order to offer worship. The Chinese pilgrims like Zhang Jing came to visit places associated with the life of Buddha as well as the famous monasteries. They also spent time studying in the monasteries. Zhang Jing and other pilgrims spent time studying in Nalanda, Bihar. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए, वाई डू यू थिंक ऑर्डनरी पीपल्स वर अट्रैक्टेड टू भक्ति. Ordinary peoples were attracted to bhakti because it was a devotion to a particular deity. For example, Shiva, Vishnu, etc. The people did not need to perform elaborate temples or religious ceremonies. देखिए, how did the sailors sail in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal? The sailors took advantage of monsoon winds to cross the seas more quickly. So, if they wanted to reach the western coast of the subcontinent from East Africa or Arabia, they chose to sail with the southwestern monsoon. Next one है, explain the term Movindar as mentioned in the Sangam poem. Movindar is a Tamil word meaning three chiefs, used for the head of the three ruling families, the Chols, Chers and Pandys, who became powerful in South India around 2300 years ago. Next देखिए, name three Chinese pilgrims who visited India. What did they write about? देखिए इसमें the three Chinese pilgrims who came to India were Fa Xian, who came to the subcontinent about 1600 years ago. Second है Zhang Jing, who came around 1400 years ago. Third one है I King, who came about 1350 years ago. Each of these pilgrims left an account of his journey. They wrote of dangers they encountered on their travels, of the countries and monasteries that they visited, and the books that they carried back with them. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.